Here we are with day 2 with our animal research project. So yesterday was Tuesday. You should have read about an animal of choice on BookFlix. So you should have chosen your animal you want to do and read about it. So here we are, and this is what we did on Tuesday. So here we are on Wednesday. And so you are watching this video lesson. And then it says research your animal by filling in the tree map with the information from BookFlix. And that means go back and find it in the BookFlix book. But you've got to have this right here. So if you click on here, you've got where you can print it out. Or if you need to just get a plain piece of paper and have an adult help you make these, all these lines and information on it for you to fill in later, you could do that as well. But you need to have this research to have the finished project to work out for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to BookFlix, and remember I'm showing it with butterflies. Okay, so I go ahead and have this open, and then here beside me on the table, I'm going to do a screen share for you. I have where I printed out what I'm needing to do. This is that tree map that was on there. So I'm going to get myself a pen so I can write this. So on here, you need to write what animal you're looking at. I'm looking at the butterfly. Okay. Now, what we need to find out about our animals is we need to try to find things about their habitat and food. Habitat is where they live. Food, of course, is things they eat. And some of them tell about body parts. Now, we may find some that does not tell these things, and that's okay. I'll talk to you about how to handle things like that. Some of them, they tell about the life cycle. And then one thing we need to find out, what's the differences between when they are young and an adult, like when they're babies or younger in their life cycle? What is the differences between them? Some have a whole lot major differences than others, and some look just very similar to the adult when they're babies. And then any cool facts you might find. So this is called a tree map. You got your branches, and then on each branch in this area, that's where you're going to write your information. Now, if you've got 3 on each one of these, does that mean you have to find 3 things on each? No. What if I need more than 3? Could I draw some more and add more? Yes. This is just a basic beginning. You don't have to fill in every one of them if you don't find all that information. And if you need to draw some more, you can do that as well. So I'm going to, again, be going back and forth between the 2 sharings to show you what you would do. So I'm looking at habitat and food. Butterflies are insects. Butterflies hatch from eggs and they begin life as caterpillars. So that is something that I need to add to my tree map. So that's part of the life cycle. They hatch from eggs and start as caterpillars. I'm just typing it just like it is from the book. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the book again. And then caterpillars eat leaves all day long. They grow quickly. Oh, eat. That's a key word. Let me know. That's talking about food. So real quick. It's a lot easier and quicker for you to go from one to the other because you're not doing like I'm doing, of going here on the computer doing it. But you're getting the idea of going page by page. And I'm going to say when they are caterpillars. Oops. they eat leaves, because I know they are different, caterpillars and butterflies. Okay. All right. And then you just keep on going through the book and try to get all the information that you can from the book to fill up this tree map. Okay, now I'm going to go back to here. I'm stopping here, but I want you to keep on going to try to fill out as much as you can on your tree map. Okay, so that's what your goal is today, is to try to get as much as your information on here as you can from the book. Now, let's say you didn't find too much, or you want to be and learn a little bit more than what the books tell you, then you can go and research and find a little bit more if you want to. With help from a parent, you can do a little bit more research on the internet. But please only do that with a parent with you. So that's all you need to have for Wednesday, and then you'll be ready for what we're going to start tomorrow on Thursday with the project. This is the research part. And then tomorrow, we're going to start working on our project that we take this information and put into. And this is where I'm very, very excited about what you're going to be doing. Can't wait to see you and talk to you tomorrow about this. Have a good day.